Nothing looks, feels, or functions like your natural teeth. And with the right care, your smile can last a lifetime. But problems like decay, disease, or injury can threaten teeth and ruin smiles. Thanks to advances in treatment and technology, many teeth can be saved. One way a tooth can be saved is with a procedure called root canal treatment, also known as endodontic treatment. Endodontics is a specialized area of dentistry focused on treating disease or injury to the dental pulp. Endodontists are dental specialists with advanced training in root canal treatment. They are experts in saving your natural teeth using state-of-the-art technologies like microscopes and digital imaging to treat you quickly and comfortably. Let's take a step-by-step look at a modern root canal procedure. Here is a healthy tooth. Inside the tooth, under the white enamel, is a hard tissue called dentin. Inside the dentin is a soft tissue called pulp. The pulp contains the tooth's nerves and blood vessels. It extends from the crown of the tooth into the roots of your teeth. If the pulp becomes inflamed or infected, your endodontist will remove it, relieving your pain or discomfort. Here's how root canal treatment works. First, your endodontist will numb the tooth so that you won't feel anything during the procedure. A small shield isolates the tooth, keeping it dry and clean. An opening is made through the crown of the tooth and into the pulp chamber. Fluid is put in the canals to kill any bacteria and help rinse out debris. Then, the pulp is removed. Using small instruments, the endodontist carefully cleans and shapes the canals. After the space is cleaned and shaped, the endodontist fills and seals the root canals. In most cases, a temporary filling is placed to close the opening until you see your dentist. After your endodontist is finished, you must return to your dentist to have your tooth properly restored with a filling or crown. That protects the tooth and is important to ensure the success of your root canal treatment. A tooth that has had root canal treatment often lasts a lifetime, so you keep smiling with confidence.